Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab Active5 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset all settings on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section let's scroll down and find General Management. Then let's go to Reset. And right here, we have to find a Reset All Settings option. So let's simply tap on it, and here your device is informing you what it will actually reset. So basically all the settings except security, language settings, accounts, personal data, and settings for downloaded apps. So for example, it will reset the screen timeout. So just tap on Reset Settings, confirm everything with your pattern. Here, be aware because this operation cannot be undone. And to apply the new settings, your tablet will restart. So just tap on Reset if you are ready. And now we have to simply wait until our device will finish the whole reset. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.